Has this ever happened to you? You start sewing on your project, you know you have your machine properly threaded, yet when you finish sewing and you look at your fabric, there's no thread there. So what's happening is that when you started sewing, your take-up lever was not in its highest position. See how you cannot see it sticking out at the top? To fix that, all you have to do is rotate your hand wheel towards you until you can see the take-up lever all the way at the top, and then you will not have that problem ever again. When you get to the end of your seam, all you have to do is rotate your hand wheel until the take-up lever is all the way to the top. And see, you can even cut your thread with this nifty little thread cutter on the side of the machine. So if you follow this simple tip, you'll always be successful. Happy sewing!